Troubled families, I want to start by saying Hattensen Nostalgia. Thank you, friends and family. You've done a fantastic job keeping COVID-19 out of our community, and we appreciate your cooperation during this difficult time. Tribal Council has taken the recommendations of Governor Inslee seriously in developing our reopening plan. As a sovereign nation, we have had the benefit of the expert advice of our medical team led by Jeromy Sullivan, Dr. Luke McDaniels, and Dr. Scott Lindquist. On May 27th, we began welcoming back employees in a phased approach that will continue over the next 6 weeks. Before reporting back to work, all employees are required to be tested for COVID-19 and retested every 2 weeks until we are back to full staffing levels. As long as there are no confirmed cases of COVID-19 among our staff or the community, we estimate to be back in full staffing by July 8th. While we're beginning to open back up, it's more important than ever to remain vigilant. Even a single case could stop the forward momentum. At any point, if Tribal Council grows concerned for the health and safety of the community, they may implement increased restrictions. We ask that you continue to follow social distancing and other protocols you've adopted over the last several months, including continue to stay home or in your yard as much as possible and limit contact with anyone outside of your home. Elders should reach out to designated family members or tribal employees for any non-emergency needs. Wear a mask in public. It is also advised to wear a mask when around people from other households. Masks will be required to enter into tribal buildings. No gatherings of more than 5 people except with people from your immediate household. We ask that you also maintain 6-foot physical distancing. Port Campbell's Clallam Tribal Police will be on patrol to disperse of large groups. Beach and picnic areas are open to groups of 5 or less with physical distancing of 6 feet apart. The baseball field and basketball court are now open for groups of 5 or less. The bleachers and dugouts should not be used at this time as they cannot be properly sanitized. All playground areas will continue to be closed as they cannot be properly sanitized. Closed parks include the skate park, neighborhood parks, and playgrounds. Camping at Point Julia in groups of 5 or less is allowed with physically distancing of 6 feet apart. Sleeping in tents or other camping equipment should be with people from your own home only. Do not share food or sell food to those outside of your household. This includes baked goods, clams, or any prepared foods. Also, during this time, we cannot allow the ice cream truck to visit neighborhoods. Please do not host parties or meals with people who live outside your home. Keep your kids and teens at home. Please do not allow sleepovers or childcare in your home. Only leave the reservation if absolutely necessary. Traveling out of state is strongly discouraged, and a 14-day quarantine upon arrival home is recommended. Even in-state travel presents issues as COVID-19 infections are still high in certain areas of Washington. Please use caution. Going outside for walks or exploration around the reservation is allowed in groups of 5 or less. Harvesting food and gathering medicine is allowed in groups of 5 or less with people outside your household. The travel center is closed for everyone except employees or those with an on-site appointment. Most departments are handling issues over the phone or through teleconferencing. If you're invited on campus, please wear a mask. No children are allowed at this time. Although many of our staff have been tested for COVID-19, it is important to understand that the accuracy only extends to the day of the test. Exposure to the public increases the risk of infection. Help us watch out for each other. Notify emergency command if you, a neighbor, or a family member has a need. Tribal police will be on the lookout for large gatherings and will step in to assist in any situation that does not comply with these guidelines. Your personal health and safety continue to be our highest priority. These rules will help us prevent the spread of the virus into our community. Please stay well, please stay safe, wash your hands. Hattensen Nostalgia.